Are you looking for more lawn mowing clients, but you're tired of the same old advertising messages? Well, here's a tip that could give you a big advantage. Facebook community groups are packed with opportunities if you know how to use them. Today, I'll show you how to stand out, build trust, and attract clients without even posting ads. So let's get to it. The first step is finding the right groups. Join with your business page if you can, but if you can't, have a link front and center on your personal profile so anybody that visits can find your business. Now, go and search for local community groups in your area. Look for things like community boards using your suburb's name, your city, home services, any kind of groups that people that are local are going to congregate. These groups are gold mines for people discussing home services, yard maintenance, or neighbourhood projects. If you join these and you join right in where the conversations are happening, it's your perfect audience. Now, once you're in, don't jump in and start yelling, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. Most groups won't allow it anyway. Instead, be helpful in the comments. Watch for posts where people are asking for advice or recommendations, for example. If someone asks for lawn care tips or if someone needs help with an issue with their lawns, jump in with thoughtful, actionable advice. Share your knowledge without directly promoting your services. This makes you look approachable and knowledgeable. Let's say someone posts about struggling with weeds or an uneven grass. Here's what you can do. You can offer practical tips like recommending seasonal treatments or explaining how proper lawn mowing can improve their lawn. You can subtly mention your expertise by adding, I do this for my clients and they've seen great results. This approach shows that you're an expert, but you don't come across as being pushy or salesy. And consistency is key. When you're consistently helping out and providing value in the group, people will start to recognize you. And over time, they'll remember you when they need lawn care services. Or better yet, they'll recommend you to their friends and their neighbors. If the group allows, take it one step further and start sharing your photos. For example, if someone asks about improving their lawn, reply with a before and after photo of a lawn that you've worked on. It's a subtle way to showcase your skills and build your credibility while sparking interest in your services. By being genuine and helpful and engaging, you can establish trust and attract clients naturally without spending a ton on ads. Facebook groups are all about relationships, so focus on being a resource and the results will follow. Have you tried using Facebook groups to grow your lawn care business? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're looking for even more ways to grow your lawn care business, join our free group, the Lawn Business Builders. Inside, you'll learn proven strategies to scale your business to 10K a month without hiring staff or overspending on ads. Let's grow our businesses together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more tips to grow your lawn care business. And meanwhile, get out there, mow lawns, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.